Hi, hello. So we have this equation, the power with variable in algebra, and okay. So we got here 3 power 14 multiplied to 2x plus 8 with negative 24 multiplied to x with negative 9 equal to 9 power 10 multiplied to x plus 10 plus 84. Okay, so if you saw all my video, I repeat that if we change number 9 to 3 by shrinking that number, so I have to divide all of those numbers, but if number 3 become to be 9, so by if I square, if number 3 on the square is 9, so if we grow to 9, so I have to divide all of those numbers with 2. When I say all of those numbers, this is just 14 and negative 24. I'm not going to touch those numbers. Also, if root of the square 9 become to be 3, so I divide all of those numbers with 2, but I'm not going to touch those numbers. Okay, so let's begin. So I copy this like it is. 3 multiplied to 14 or multiplied to 2x plus 8 with negative 24 or multiplied to x with negative 9. Okay, so root of the square of 9, that will be equal to 3. So number 9 become to be 3. But because of that, I have to multiply all of those numbers with 2. Here, if now, for example, if number 3 become to be 9, so I have to divide all of those numbers with 2. When I say all of those numbers, I repeat, there's just 14 and negative 24. I'm not going to touch those numbers. And the same here, I multiply to 2, but I'm not going to touch those numbers. Okay, so 10 multiplied to 2 is 20. X plus 10. I'm not going to multiply those numbers with 2, but I do multiply 48 with 2, and 48 multiplied with 2, that's going to be 168. Because 8 plus 8 is 16, and and 4 plus 4 is 8. So that together it's going to be 168. Now, after we got those numbers, we continue to, so 14 multiplied to 2x, that's going to be 28 plus x going to that way, going to the left way, and 14 multiplied to 8 That's gonna be, I use the calculation. I think it's 100, okay, so 14 multiplied to 8, that will be equal to 112. So plus 112 going to that way, going to the left way. Negative 24 multiplied with x, that's gonna be negative 24x. Going to the letter way, going to the left before the equation, because number usually we're reading after the equation. Okay, that will be equal to 20. That will be equal to plus 20. We're going that way, going to the right way. I'm sorry, that will be equal to x, to plus x. I mean, that will be equal to plus 20x going to that way. And 20 multiplied to 10, that's going to be plus 200. Going to that way, together with plus 168, also going to that way. Okay, so let's say that we have plus 28x with negative 24x and plus 20x become to be negative 20x because it's written after the equation where it's not supposed to be written. So negative 20x, all of that will be equal to negative 112. This number, only this number is written before the equation when it's not supposed to be written, and because of that I changed it first with plus to negative, but plus 200 stay like it is, plus 200 plus 168. Okay, so all of that will be equal to x. Okay, so plus 28 with negative 24 x with negative 20 x, all of that will be equal to negative 16. And now 112 plus 200 plus 168 from here, and all of that will be equal to 256. And 256 multiplied to negative 16, that will be equal to negative 16. So let's say that x equal to negative 16. And that is how I will solve this puzzle. Okay, so that will be equal to negative 16. I just we're gonna test if really like it is, but before we start, I would like to multiply it again, 256 with negative 16, and then all of that will be equal to negative 16. Okay, so in this equation we have 3